I've been with Dr. Melamed for 10 years, and it's the best doctor I've ever had in my whole life.
I just think he is a rarity in this field. I've never come across a doctor that's like him. And even if I moved away probably to another state and was within driving distance, I would still come to see him, because I think he's that good, and he's definitely worth it.
I have no hesitation about calling him. I can see him anytime. He would stay late at night to see me if he had to. These are the things that I appreciate. There's one doctor that said that of all the doctors in New Hampshire, he's the most trustworthy. I'll mention his name. His name is Dr. told me that.
He could have said, oh, I'll see you tomorrow or whatever. No, he took all the steps necessary in order to solve this problem straight away.
Very comfortable. This doctor is so comfortable, you're home. You don't feel strange here.
If I have a problem, I call in. They get right back to me, and usually it's just no time at all to get in to see Dr. Melamed. I've never had a problem getting in to see him.
He's patient, he's warm and caring, and I have full trust in Dr. Melamed.
I used to think of him as a little terrier. He would get a hold of a problem and he was not going to let it out of his teeth until he found the answer to whatever it was that the patient needed. He would send for a lot of tests, he would read, he would consult with other doctors, he would send them to the best specialist. He makes sure that the care that he gives a patient is going to be the best, top-notch care he can give.
Once I started coming to see Dr. Melamed, I found him to be excellent in terms of managing my diabetes. In some ways, I found him much better than the Jocelyn Clinic.
And the specialist said, oh, Dr. Melamed is your primary care. And I said, yes. He said, I'm very jealous of him. And I said, you are? Why is that? Because he's so intelligent, he said. I can't stand it. He's so much smarter than me. And I've heard that over and over again from doctors that he refers me to about what a brilliant doctor he is.
And I feel very privileged to be among the roster of patients here in his office.
I will continue to drive 58 miles in each direction to visit Dr. Melamed.
He's a genius, I'm telling you. I would recommend him to any patient. And he's a great guy. I like him. I love him.